Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiyatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I'm planning for the week beginning May 10th to the 16th, which was also the week of Eid. I'm using this kit from RoseShadowCollection, which is called Ramadan Mubarak, I believe. So this kit is foiled in rose gold. It's obviously clearly a very different format than what I usually use, so I did struggle using this kit. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch me lay down my base as usual. And I'll be back with the day by day. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Enjoy. I'll see you in a second. Okay, so first in the sidebar, I use this kind of like jug of milk, not milk, or tea, and a Ramadan end script from Rose-Colored Days to note Ramadan ending. I like to note some important things in the sidebar, but let's start with the day by day. So starting with Monday, I used a YouTube play button from Planner Hannah and a Plan With Me binge script from Bella Plan Ella to note Plan With Me binge. If you don't know, I do PR for Bella Plan Ella, so use my code ADIATU15 to get 15% off your order and to get my freebie. Also, you'll notice I'm putting in lots of boxes because there was nowhere near enough for what I needed. I also marked work with a Simply a Messy Girl and a work script from SBC. I noted being in my feelings with a crying girl from Honeybee Shop, and then I noted a busy day with a Stocking Your Designs girl. In the bottom of the day, I used a Stick with a Plan Co. FaceTime girl to note observation. The observation script is from Bella Plan Ella. I then used a Zoom sticker to note a lecture, and then a Coffee Monsters Co. Sticker to note another one. The scripts are from Bella Plan Ella once again. I then use an icon from The Wiggle and a Happy Meal script from the House of Zuckers UK to note Happy Meal. On to Tuesday, I used a sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and an exhausted script from Plans to note being really, really exhausted. I then used a planning sticker from Stocking Your Designs and a planning time script from The Wiggle. I then used a Simply a Mess girl to mark work, and the work script this time is from Plans. Then used a car icon from, I don't know where it's from, to note traffic. I then used a couple sticker from Papershire to note that my husband bought me an iPad. I then used a grocery bag sticker to note going to Tesco. I then used a Mixie Cat stuff cat with a planner and a fun planning script from Bella Plan Ella to note fun planning. Finally, I used this knife and fork icon to note making food. Moving on to Wednesday, I used a hijabi girl to note it was the last day of Ramadan. I then used a YouTube play button sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. to note a Plan With Me binge. I then marked work the same using another script from Plans. I then used a cat FaceTime sticker from Fox and Cactus and observation script from Bella Panella to note observation. At the bottom, I used a Coffee Monsters Co. lecture sticker to note a lecture script from Bella Panella. I then used a Whimsical Cat Co. I think, a girl planning and a film Plan With Me custom from Plans to note filming. Then use a Disney Plus sticker from Bun Paper Co. to note watching Castle. I then used a Joy of Planning girl and an organised sticker script from the Honeybee Shop. Moving on to the second half of the week. So on Thursday, I used a Dua girl from The Modest Cat and an Eid sticker from Rose-Colored Days to note that it was Eid. I then used a star from The Wiggle and a day off script from Plans to note a day off. I then used an open Quran sticker to note going to the mosque for Eid. At the bottom half, I used a cake sticker to note getting some cupcakes for Eid from my brother's girlfriend. I then used a Stocking Your Creations girl in bed to note binge watching Castle. Then used a couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note that we ordered some takeout. And I then finally used a FaceTime sticker to note FaceTiming my nephew. On to Friday. At the top of Friday, I used the same stickers I used on Monday to note a Plan With Me binge. I then used a tea and croissant sticker from Papershire to note I had some breakfast. I had bagels and tea, but I didn't have bagel stickers, so this was the next best thing. I marked work the same as I had been using a Plans work script. I then used this fries and drink icon. I think it's from a Creativity and Co kit, I believe, to note using fish and chips at work. I then used this excited girl from Stocking Your Designs and a payday script from The Wiggle to note it was payday. I then used a Coffee Monsters Co budgeting sticker to note that I was budgeting. I then used a KFC sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co to note that we ordered KFC. And finally a Papershire Girl Sleeping and a Sleep Early script from Randy Plans to know I went to bed early, which is usually the case with me. Okay, on to Friday. So on Friday I used a couples in bed sticker from Once More With Love to note sleeping in. The sleeping script is from Randy Plans. I then marked the Plan With Me binge the same as I did on Wednesday. I then marked editing and doing a voiceover using a Whimsical Cat Studio edit sticker and a voiceover script from Ice Cream Joe. Then marked using a Papershire sub sticker that we ordered some Subway. On the second half of the day, I used Mixie Cat Stuff Planner Cat and a plan script from Goldman and Coco to note doing some planning. Then use a couple sticker from the Whimsical Cat Studio to note a YouTube binge using a YouTube binge sticker from what's her name? Planner Hannah. And I then used a Paper Dolls Co couple doing their hair sticker to note washing my husband's hair. The wash hair script is from Melanin Electric. Finally, on to Sunday, I used a Papershire vanilla with like a Donna wrap to note that we had fajitas. I then used the Paper Dolls Co grocery run sticker to note that me and my husband went on a grocery run. I think the script says With My Love and it's from Randy Plans. I don't have much gold stickers because I don't like gold, so it was hard for me to find them. I then used the Starbucks cup sticker from Bun Bun Paper Co to note that what does it note? That we had at Starbucks, obviously. On the bottom half of the day, I used this car wash sticker from Naomi Love Desires to note that I got a car wash. I then used this laundry basket sticker that I don't know where it's from and a laundry script that I also don't know where it's from to note laundry. I then used a Honeybee Shop Gal pulling stickers or playing with stickers and a pull stickers custom script from Bella Pan Ella to note pulling stickers. And at the bottom of the day I used a cloud that I think is supposed to be snowing, but I wanted to use it as rain to note that it was a rainy night, which of course it was a rainy night the day I washed my car, which usually happens and is why I never want to wash my car. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. Let me know if you feel like I talk too fast so I can slow down the next time, because I do talk really fast. But yeah, so I shall see you in the next video. Bye.